Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the neon outline video effect to overlay only in CapCut for PC. So for example, I want to add the background, right, add it right, and I'm going to add the overlay, just put on top another clip. So I'm going to add the neon outline effect, just click effect and select the edit my club, scroll down until you find neon outline, just add to track, just put duration in the same lane with the duration of the effect. But you can see the effect applied to background and overlay, but I want to add the effect just to overlay. How to select the overlay and effect, and then right click and select create component clip. Alright, I forgot before I want to remove the background overlay, cut out, select auto cutout, resize, and add the neon outline again. Select the overlay and effect, right click and select create component clip. Here you go. That's how you can apply the neon outline or other effect to overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.